Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're joining us for the first time, please consider hitting that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. This way, you'll stay updated with our daily insights designed to help you navigate the world of finance. Are you ready to transform your financial future? We've got 12 game-changing personal finance tips that you can't afford to miss. From budgeting hacks to investment secrets, these tips will set you on the path to financial freedom. And that's not all. Stay with us until the end for 2 incredible bonuses, 8 key takeaways, and 8 exercises of how you can apply these tips to your life today. Hit that play button now, and let's get started on your journey to financial success. 1. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is crucial for building wealth from nothing. Financial goals provide direction and motivation, helping you stay focused on what you want to achieve. Start by defining both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals might include saving for an emergency fund, paying off a specific debt, or saving for a vacation. Long-term goals could involve buying a home, saving for retirement, or funding your children's education. To make your goals effective, use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Life circumstances can change, and your financial goals may need to be updated accordingly. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating and sticking to a budget involves understanding your income and expenses, choosing a suitable budgeting method, and regularly reviewing your financial plan. By using effective tools, setting clear goals, automating savings, and developing a support system, you can maintain control over your finances and work towards your financial goals. 3. Live below your means. Living below your means is a crucial principle for building wealth from nothing. It involves spending less than you earn, which allows you to save and invest the difference. Here's how to effectively live below your means. Understand your financial habits, create a budget, prioritize needs over wants, reduce unnecessary expenses, avoid lifestyle inflation, save and invest the difference, be mindful of debt. By doing all that, you can save and invest more, ultimately building wealth over time. 4. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is a critical step in achieving financial stability and building wealth from nothing. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing you with the resources to handle unexpected expenses without going into debt. Here's how to build and maintain an emergency fund. Set a savings goal. Start small and be consistent. Choose the right account, cut unnecessary expenses, use windfalls wisely, replenish when needed, and avoid temptation. By doing all that you can, create a robust financial safety net that protects you from unexpected financial shocks. 5. Pay off high-interest debt. Paying off high-interest debt is a crucial step in building wealth from nothing. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly accumulate and become a significant financial burden, hindering your ability to save and invest. Here's how to effectively pay off high-interest debt. Assess your debt situation, create a debt repayment plan, allocate extra funds to debt repayment, make more than the minimum payment, consider debt consolidation, avoid accumulating more debt, and celebrate milestones. By doing all that, you can effectively eliminate high-interest debt and pave the way for financial success. 6. Increase your income. Increasing your income is a powerful strategy for building wealth from nothing. While cutting expenses and saving are important, boosting your income can significantly accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Here are several ways to increase your income. Ask for a raise, pursue career advancement, start a side hustle, explore gig economy opportunities, invest in passive income streams, monetize your hobbies, take on part-time or freelance work, and optimize your investments. By doing all that you can, increase your income for financial success. 7. Automate your savings and investments. Automating your savings and investments is a powerful strategy to ensure consistency and discipline in your wealth-building efforts. By setting up automatic transfers, you can make saving and investing a regular habit without having to think about it. Here's how to effectively automate your savings and investments. Set up automated savings, use employer-sponsored retirement plans, and automate investment contributions. 8. Embrace passive income opportunities. Embracing passive income opportunities like rental income, dividends, or a side business can provide additional earnings that require minimal ongoing effort. These income streams can be reinvested towards building long-term wealth and achieving financial freedom. 9. Take advantage of retirement accounts. Taking advantage of retirement accounts is a crucial strategy for building long-term wealth and ensuring financial security in your later years. Retirement accounts offer significant tax benefits that can help you save more effectively. Here's how to make the most of these accounts. Understand the types of retirement accounts. Take advantage of employer matching. Consider Roth options. Diversify your retirement accounts. Automate contributions. Rebalance your portfolio. Take advantage of catch-up contributions. And plan for required minimum distributions, RMDs. By strategically using these accounts, you can build a substantial retirement nest egg and enjoy significant tax benefits along the way. 10. Minimize investment fees. In summary, minimizing investment fees is a crucial strategy for maximizing your returns and building wealth over time. Even small fees can significantly erode your investment gains, especially when compounded over many years. Here's how to effectively minimize investment fees. Understand the types of investment fees. Choose low-cost investment options, reduce trading activity, consolidate accounts, negotiate fees. Be aware of hidden fees. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Monitor and review your investments. Avoid structured products. Consider tax implications. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly reduce the cost of investing and enhance your overall returns. 11. Be patient and consistent. Patience and consistency are fundamental principles in building wealth. These virtues help investors navigate the ups and downs of the market, avoid impulsive decisions, and steadily grow their wealth over time. Here's how to effectively incorporate patience and consistency into your wealth-building strategy. The power of patience, the role of consistency, combining patience and consistency, case studies, and examples. By doing all that, you can harness the power of these virtues to achieve financial success. Remember, wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint, and the rewards of patience and consistency are well worth the effort. 12. Continuously monitor and adjust. Continuously monitoring and adjusting your financial plan is essential for staying on track to achieve your financial goals. Life is dynamic, and your financial situation can change due to various factors such as changes in income, expenses, market conditions, and personal circumstances. Here's how to effectively monitor and adjust your financial plan. Set clear financial goals, create a detailed budget, use financial apps and tools, track expenses regularly, monitor investment performance, review credit reports, monitor debt repayment, revisit and adjust your budget, educate yourself, seek professional advice, celebrate milestones, be flexible and adaptable, and use rolling forecasts. By implementing these practices, you can stay on track to achieve your financial goals and adapt to changing circumstances effectively. Bonus 1. Here are the 8 key most important takeaways from the video. 1. Set clear financial goals. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART financial goals. Regularly review and adjust these goals to stay on track and adapt to changing circumstances. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Develop a detailed budget that outlines your income and expenses. Regularly track your spending and adjust your budget as needed to ensure you are saving and investing consistently. 3. Live below your means. Spend less than you earn to free up money for saving and investing. Avoid lifestyle inflation and prioritize financial stability over immediate gratification. 4. Build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account to cover unexpected expenses and protect your financial stability. 5. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts to ensure consistent contributions and reduce the temptation to spend. 6. Take advantage of retirement accounts. Contribute to tax-advantaged retirement accounts, such as 401(k)s and IRAs, to benefit from tax deferral or tax-free growth and maximize your retirement savings. 7. Be patient and consistent. Building wealth takes time and consistency. Stick to your financial plan, avoid impulsive decisions, and stay focused on your long-term goals. 8. Continuously monitor and adjust. Regularly review your financial plan and make adjustments as needed to stay on track and adapt to changing circumstances. Bonus 2, here are 8 exercises on how to implement the takeaways. 1. Set clear financial goals. Write down your financial goals using the SMART criteria. Break them down into short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Review and update your goals monthly to track your progress and make necessary adjustments. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your income and expenses for 1 month. Categorize your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Set a monthly budget and review it weekly to ensure you are staying on track. 3. Live below your means. Track your daily expenses for a month to identify unnecessary spending. Create a list of essential and non-essential expenses. Commit to reducing or eliminating non-essential expenses and redirecting the savings towards your financial goals. 4. Build an emergency fund. Open a separate savings account for your emergency fund. Set up an automatic transfer of a fixed amount from your checking account to your emergency fund each payday. Start with a goal of saving $1,000 and gradually increase it to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. 5. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts. Schedule these transfers to coincide with your payday to ensure consistent contributions. Review your automated transfers quarterly to adjust the amounts as needed. 6. Take advantage of retirement accounts. If you have access to a 401(k) or IRA, set up automatic contributions. Aim to contribute at least enough to receive any employer match. Review your retirement account statements quarterly and adjust your contributions to maximize your savings. 7. Be patient and consistent. Set a long-term financial goal, such as saving for retirement or buying a home. Create a timeline with monthly milestones and track your progress. Remind yourself of the benefits of patience and consistency by reviewing your progress quarterly. 8. Continuously monitor and adjust. Set a monthly reminder to review your financial plan, budget, and investment portfolio. Make adjustments based on changes in your financial situation, goals, or market conditions. Use financial apps to track your progress and receive alerts for important updates. Do you know, Why you should not keep your cash in the bank? Click on the screen and see why you should not keep your cash in the bank. The 7 hidden assets that will explode your wealth.